Alright, so today's car show day. So you never know what we're going to see here today. Old Mercedes 300 SL. That's a rarity there.
How expensive is that?
So we're going to see a little bit of everything here today. You're going to get to see a lot of classics, a lot of modern speed, if you will. A little bit of everything. Got Mr. Duke here with us. So let's see what we see. Much as I like my old cars, I mean, I'm guessing that's a Vantage. Aston Martin, I mean, that's a beautiful body lines. A nice old vet. And you gotta admire some of the new technology. Get some new Chiron, 300 plus miles an hour, probably around $2.5, $3 million. Love the back view of that W16. It's a good looking vehicle. And here at Holman, they got a little bit of everything here, so you can buy all these vehicles here. You know, Lamborghini, that Chiron. If you want a high-end luxury or high-end performance supercar, this is the place. All right, so check out this old Daytona. Love the side pipe look. The air conditioning. Later we'll see a bunch of older vehicles. So that's a nice vehicle. I don't know if I can enjoy it daily. I think it's a shame to have one of these vehicles, and if you're not going to enjoy it and drive it, then why have it? If you're buying it for an investment, that's something entirely different. There's a nice old ride. Old Speedster. That's a nice setup. I think it's kept it fairly original. Alright, so let's go see what kind of classics we can find. Alright, so I can already tell these are more my people. You see an old Woody right off the bat, that's always a good thing. Alright, so we'll see what this side's got on it. Look at that old Chevy 2 Nova. That's nice. And there's, of course, there's music in the background, so that's always going to play hell. This old Dart here, this thing's a cream puff. You don't see many of them like that, especially convertible like that. Yeah, that's nice. And it's for sale, so if you're looking for one, there you go. A bit of everything here. This is the type of car shows I really like. One way this would get any better if it had a flea market attached to it. So I actually almost bought one of these back in the late 70s, early 80s. I think it's probably around a 79 or an 80. I don't know what year that is. That's an 80. So it was early 80s that I would have bought one of those. And we got a 70 Monte Carlo instead. Oh, an old Pantera. So that's an old American muscle mid-engine. Should be a 351 Cleveland in the back of it. Old Studebaker. There's a rare animal right there. You just don't see any of these old Studies anymore. Thing's in mint shape too. That could be the thumbnail right there. I bet that's a little rocket ship, little MG with the little V8 jammed in the nose of it. Those rims don't look nice. LS in it. I haven't seen his old Sunbeams either. Got some out here for the kiddos to drive. Well, if you ain't robbing, you ain't racing. It's old Burb. So we definitely seen that on a Palo there at the Coin last year. It's a beautiful ride. Oh, I like that flame job right there. Let's Whipple on from top of that. Well, that's a really nice paint job. And a little Tri-5, that's a 57. Be a fun Mustang right next to that fun old buggy right there. Old factory Chevy 3100. That old Bel Air's in great shape. Yeah, that's nice. Remember those from the old days, bumper cars. Yeah, that's nice. It's a nice old Impala right there. Nope. Oh, that thing's nice inside. It's a nice build. Old Ford Fairlane, convertible even. Old Ford Coupe, yeah, old Ford Coupe. I like that paint job on it, kind of like a brandy wine. Did an outstanding job restoring that thing. Love those old Econo lines. You don't see many of those left anymore. Thought that was just sitting there. I didn't realize it would actually motorized.
It's badass. Yeah, I love it. It's almost tricky.
Love it.
Thank you.
So like that old Galaxy, let's say that's about the same vintage as that Meteor we're going to be picking up. See, what year is that? That's a 64, so the Meteor we're looking at is a 63. Now there's a rare one right there. Got that in nice shape.
He bought it new. He bought it in Columbia, and truck from Chicago, and it's got it cost $3,552 when he bought it.
Gentleman said barnwood metal bed, so that's nice. Love my four-wheel drives, but it's got a nice stance on it right there. And you really never know what you'll find out in the parking lot, so never discount the parking lot when you're at a car show. All right, so that's a great day of car shows. Got to run into some people I used to know, talk to them a little bit, good to see them. Some pretty cool old rides. Duke even got to make a few friends. Didn't you, Mr. Duke? Overall, a great Saturday for the car shows. Looking forward to getting back out and seeing more of this. Looking for some flea markets as well. Thanks for viewing, and get out and see some things.